Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then let's tap on wallpapers, and here we've got pre-installed options from which you can choose. You can tap on more wallpapers and enter some online options. Basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the wallpaper which you'd like to apply and tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it and simply tap on apply in the right upper corner. Here we've got the preview, how it will look like on the lock screen and home screen. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.